Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem related to Java and method handling. The issue at hand arises when trying to call a method using a conditional expression that evaluates to a different type than expected. This can be a bit tricky to navigate, so let's explore the solution together. Now, onto the solution. The key point here is the use of InvokeExact in the code snippet provided. When using handle$free.InvokeExact address equals null, address, memory segment.null. The issue stems from the compiler determining the method type based on the expression, which in this case evaluates to type object. This mismatch in type causes the WrongMethodTypeException to be thrown. In summary, it's crucial to ensure that the types align correctly when using InvokeExact with conditional expressions in Java method handling. By understanding how the compiler interprets the types involved, you can avoid unexpected exceptions and ensure smooth execution of your code. And with that, we've reached the end of our discussion. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!